Hello student, welcome to my math class. Today we shall discuss multiples and factors. First, multiples. Multiples. The product of two or more, the product of two or more numbers is called multiples. The product of two or more number is called multiples. So let us take some examples. Suppose, for example, 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So here 15 is the multiple of 3 and 5. 3 5s are 15. So 15 is the multiple of 3 and 5. Next example, 2 into 3 into 6 equal to 2 3s are 6 and 6 6s are 36. Similarly, 36 is the multiples or multiple of 2, 3 and 6. 2, 3 and 6. Let us find out the multiples of 12. Let us find out let us find the multiples of 12. So when we take out the multiples of 12, we recite table number 12 and write. Suppose 12 1 is 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36. 12 4s are 48, and so on. Here the product 12, 24, 36 and 48 and so on are the multiples of 12. Let us take one more example. Let us find the multiples of 9. So similarly, we write the table number 9. 9 1 is 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. So here also 9 is the multiple of 1 and 9. 18 is the multiples of 9 and 2. 27 is the multiple of 9 and 3, and 36 is the multiple of 9 and 4, and so on. So, from the above example, we found every number has infinite number of numbers of multiple. Every number has infinite numbers of multiple. So let us see some more examples. For example, 9, 1 is 9, 13, 1 is 13, 15, 1 is 15. So here we found the multiple of 9 is the multiple of 9, 13 is the multiple of 13, and 15 is the multiple of 15. So from the above example we found a number is a multiple of itself. A number is a multiple of itself. So let me take one more example. Suppose 1 into 7 equal to 7, 1 into 11 equal to 11, 1 into 19 equal to 19. So from the above example we found 1 is the multiple of 7, 1 is the multiple of 11, 1 is the multiple of 19 also. So we found every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1. So every multiple of a given number is either equal or greater than the number itself. Now let us solve the exercise 8a. Exercise 8a. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Number A. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. So 30 is the or 30 is a multiple of dash and dash. So here 5 into 6, for 5 6 are 30. So 30 is the multiple of dash and dash. We know that 30 is multiple and 5 and 6 are the multiples of 30. 5 and 6 are the multiples of 35 and 6. Similarly, now question number B, 7 into 11 equal to 77. So 77 is a multiple of dash and dash. So similarly it is 7 into 11 equal to 77. So 77 is a multiples of 7 and 11. Question number C, question number C, 9 into 100 equal to 900. So 900 is a multiple of 900 is a multiple of dash and dash. So like similarly it is 9 and 100. 9 into 100 equal to 900. So 900 is a multiple of 9 and 100. Question number next, D, 3 into 5 into 13 equal to 195. So 195 is the multiple of dash, dash and dash. So here we found 3 into 5 into 13 equal to 195. So 195 is the multiples of 3, 5 and 13. Next question number 2. Write the first 3 multiples of, write the first 3 multiples of number A 2. We write 3 multiples of 2. So it is easy because we know multiples is nothing, only we recite or we write the table of 2. table number of 2. So table number of 2 is, so we can write 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So 2 4 and 6 are the first 3 multiples of 2. Number B, 3. We take out the first 3 multiples of 3. First 3 multiples of 3, we write 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So these 3, 3, 6 and 9 are the multiples of 3. Next, question number 3. Write the first 4 multiples of question number A, 4. So we write how many 4 multiples of 4. So same like similarly like we write the table number 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. The first 4 multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12 and 16. Next, question number B, multiples of 9. First 4 multiples of 9. So 9 1 is 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27 and 9 4s are 36. So the first 4 multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27 and 36. Next, question number C. We take out the multiples of 15. First 4 multiples of 15. So like same table number, 15 1 is 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60. So 15, 30, 45 and 60 are the first 4 multiples of 15. Next, question number 6. Question number 6A. Write the multiples of 3. Write the multiples of 3 that are greater than 20 but less than 35. Less than 35. So write the first 3 multiples of 23. Write the multiples of 3 that are greater than 20 but less than 35. So We write table number 3. 3 1 is 3, 6, 12, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24, 27, 30, 33, then 36. So here said we write the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 which are greater than 20 but less than 35. So 18, 21. So here we found, so greater than 20 up to this much is less than 20, so we can't write. So greater than 20, 21, 24, 27, 30 and 33. So these are the 4 multiples of 3 which are greater than 20 and less than 35. So we write 21, 24, 27, 30 and 33. So question number C. Question number C. Write all the multiples of 8 that are less than 25. Less than 55. Write all the multiples of 8 that are less than 55. So we start table number 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48 and 8 7s are 56. So 56 is 56. So 56 is greater than 55. So we shall write up to 48. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and 48 are the multiples of 8 that are less than 55. Next question number 7. Question number 7. Write the first 2 common multiples of. Write the first 2 common multiples of question number A, 4 and 5. Here we take out the first two common multiples of 4 and 5. So we write first we write table number 4. Table number 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Okay, if needed. Next, table number 5. 5 1 is the 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, and 4 10s are 40. Next, 5 1 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, up to this. So we write the first two common multiples of 5 and 4 and 5. So here 20 is there, and here also there also 20. So 20 is common, and 40 also common. So we write the first two common multiples of 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are 20 and 40. 20 and 40. Question number B. Question number B. Write 6 and 8. We take out the first two common multiples of 6 and 8. We write table number 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. The 8, table number 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. So we take out the first two common multiples of 6 and 8. First we get there 24. Next it is here 48 and 48. The first two common multiples of 6 and 8 are 24 and 48. 24 and 48. Next, question number 8. Write the first 3 common multiples of question number C. We do 10 and 20. So like earlier, we take out first 3 common multiples. So we write table number 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10 10 ja 100. Now 20, table number 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, okay, 180, okay, up to 160. So we take out the first 3 common multiples of 10 and 20. So there 20 is common, there also 20 is common, 20 is there, so 20 common, then 40 here, 40, then 60, 60. So 3 we got already. So the first 3 common multiples of 10 and 20 are 10 and 20 are 20, 40 and 60. 20, 40 and 60. Question number next. Write the even number between question number 10 A. Write the even numbers between number 1 1 Roman 1, it is 47 and 59. So even number, what is even number? Numbers that are multiples of 2 are even numbers. The numbers that are multiples of 2 are even numbers. Suppose 2, 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Like this, continue. So on. So these are even number. Even numbers. Or we can say, if any number unit digit is even, then the number is even number. So here 47 is what odd number. So between 47 and 59 we write all even number. 47 then 48 is even number. 48 then 49 is odd. 50 then 51 odd. 52 then 53 odd. 54 then 55 odd. 56 57 odd. 58. So 58. Next question. Write the question number 10B. Write the odd numbers between number Roman 1, 50 and 72. Between 50 and 72 we write the all odd numbers. Now odd numbers, what we found, the numbers that are not multiples of 2 are called odd number. Suppose 1 is not multiples of 2, it is odd number. Then 3, then 5, 7, then 9, 11, 13. These are odd numbers. These are odd or we can say, if any number unit digit is odd, then it is odd number, or an odd number has an odd digit at one's place. Odd digit at one's place. So these are odd number. So we write answer. So 50 is even number, 0 is there, so it is even number. So 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, 59, 61, 63, 65, 67, 69 and 71 and 71. Okay, next question number 12. Question number 12A. Write the first 6 2-digit even numbers. Two-digit even numbers. Write first 6 two-digit even numbers. So, two-digit number, we know that two-digit number started from 10. And up to 99 two-digit numbers are there. So, among them we write only 6. So, 10 is even number, then even two-digit even number is 12, then it is 14, then 16, then 18, then 20. So, 6 finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20 are the 6 two-digit even numbers. First 6 two-digit even numbers. Next. Question number 3. Write the first 4 odd number. First 4 odd numbers. Odd numbers that are greater than 997. So, write the first 4 odd numbers that are greater than what? 997. So, answer here is 997. So, we know we take out the odd number. So, 998. 998 is even number. So, we write 999. Next 10,000 is next 10,000. 10,000 is also even number. So, we write 10,001. 10,001. Next 10,003. Next 4 we write 10,005. 10,005. Question number D. Is there a counting number? Is there a counting number which is neither even nor odd? Answer is no. Answer is no, because we know that all numbers are either odd or even number. All numbers are either odd or even number. Next we discuss factor. Factors. So we know that the result of multiplication of a number is called product, and the numbers are called the factors of the product, or we can say a factor of a number divides that number exactly. So let us look some examples. A factor of a number divides that number exactly. Factor a factor of a number divides that number exactly. That number exactly, or living number. So let us take an example. Suppose, for example, 8 into 9. 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72. Here 8 and 9 are the factors of 72. 72 is a multiple of 8 and 9. 8 and 9, and we can write 72 is divisible by 8 and 9 exactly, without leaving a remainder. So 8 and 9 are the factors of 72, and 72 is the multiples of 8 and 9, and 72 is divisible by 8 and 9. So let us take two more examples. 5 into 6 equal to 30. So here 5 and 6 are the factors of 30. 5 and 6 are the factors of 30, or 2 into 4 into 7. 2 into 4 into 7. 2 4s are 8, and 8 7s are 54. So sorry, 8 7s are 56. So here 2, 3 and 2, 4 and 7 are the factors of 76. So next we solve the exercise 8b. Exercise 8b. 8b. Question number A. 5 and 6 equal to 30 So 5 and 6 are dash of 30. So here 5 into 6, 5 6 are 30. So 5 and 6 are factors of 30. Question number B. 48 equal to 8 into 6. So 6 and 8 are dash of 48. Same, 48 equal to 8 into 6. 8 6 are 48. So 8 and 6 and 8 are the factors of 48. Question number C. 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. So 2, 3, 4 and 6 are dash of 12. Dash of 12. So here 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. So here 2, 3, 4 and 6. We know the factors of what? 12. Question number D. Question number E. 16 and 9 are the factors of 144. So 144 is dash by 16 and 9. 16 and 9. So here 16 and 9 are the factors of 144. So 144 is the dash of 16 and 9. We know 144 is divisible by 16 and 9. Divisible by 16 and 9. Next question, question number 4. Question number 4. Write two factors of the following number. Write two factors of the following numbers other than 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. number itself. So question number 1 or A, 75. We take out the factors. We take out the factors of two factors of 75 other than 1 and the number itself, that means 75. So first we see the pairs of number which give the product of 75. First we see the pairs of number which gives the product of 75. 1 into 75 equal to 75. So next 3 into 25 equal to 75. Next 5 into 15 is equal to 75. So here we found we need only two factors. So we got already 4 here, except 1 and the number itself, 3, 25, 5 and 15. So we write any two. The two factors of 75 are, or we can write the two factors are, the two factors of 75 are what? 2 and 3. 2 and 3, or we can write 2 and 15, anything we can write, but they are only said 2, that's why we written 2. Next we have question number B. Two factors of 84 are like same. We see the pairs of number which gives the product of 84. So 1 into 84 equal to 84. 1 into 84 equal to 84. 2 into 42 equal to 84. No need more, we get already 2 and 42. So the factors of, or two factors of 84 are 2 and 42. 2 and 42, or 2 and 4 also we can write, because 4 also factor of 84. Next question number 5. Write 3 factors of the following numbers other than 1 and itself. Here 2 factors, but now we take out 3 factors. 3 factors, question number 5. Next question number 5, A 30. So we take out the pairs of number which gives the factor of 30. So 1 into 30 equal to 30, 2 into 15 is equal to 30, 3 into 10 is equal to 30. We got already 4, so we can write 3. Therefore the 3 factors of 30 are 2, 3 and 10. 2, 3, 2, 3 and 10, or we can write 5 also, 10. Next, question number 7. Question number 7. Write all factors of the following numbers. Write all factors of the following number. Question number A, 10. We take out the 10. All factors of 10. So pairs of number which give the product of 10. Which give the product of 10, we take out. 1 into 10 equal to 10. 2 into 5 equal to 10. 3 not again. 4 not 5. 5 is there, we know, okay. 5 into 2 equal to 10 and 10 into 1 equal to 10. So here 1, 2, 5 and 10 are the all factors of 10. So the all factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10. Question number B. Question number B, 20. We take out the all factors of 20 like same we do. 20, 1 into 20, 20, 2 into 10 equal to 20, 3 into, sorry, 3 not cannot, 4 into 5 equal to 20, 6, 7 cannot. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 are the all factors of 20. The all factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Next question number C. We take out the all factors of 32. All factors of 32. The pairs of number which give the product of 32, we take out there. 32, 1 into 32, 2 equal to 32. 2 into 16 equal to 2 16 jar 32. 3 not 4, 8 jar 32. 5 not, 6 not, 7 not, finished. So the all factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. One, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32 are the factors of all factors of 32. So my dear student, today up to this, if you have any doubt, please write in comment box. I shall reply. Thank you.